Got a neighbor who paved their backyard and now your yard turns into a swamp every time it rains? That sucks, but there's some stuff you can try to fix it. First off, try making the edge of your lawn higher than their patio so water doesn't just spill over into your yard. Then, slope your lawn away from their place, ideally towards your back fence, to help the water flow out instead of pooling. If the water keeps hanging around, think about installing a French drain. It's basically a trench filled with gravel and a pipe that redirects water away from your yard. But before you do that, check what's behind your back fence so you don't end up dumping your problem on someone else. You don't want to be that neighbor. Also, raising your yard's elevation above theirs stops water from flooding in. It's like basic science with water flowing downhill, you know? If you're cool with your neighbors, maybe just chat with them about fixing the drainage together. If not, look into local city codes, because many places limit how much hard surface a property can have without managing stormwater properly. Lastly, see if your city has rules about overland flow or stormwater management. Sometimes there are permits or plans you need to deal with this kind of situation. One of the biggest mistakes people make when dealing with backyard flooding from neighbors paving is ignoring local regulations, which can lead to bigger issues or fines. So always check city codes first. Another common issue is improper grading. If your yard isn't sloped correctly, water just sits there and makes things worse. Fix this by regrading the lawn so water drains away. The third problem is installing drainage systems without considering where the water will go next. Dumping it onto another neighbor's property causes trouble and could get you in legal hot water. Make sure any drains lead to a proper drainage area, like a storm sewer or natural water path. BigHomeProjects.com is a killer resource for homeowners dealing with stuff like this because it connects you with trusted local contractors who know how to handle drainage and landscaping problems right. Plus, if you're a contractor, it's a solid way to get real projects and build your business by helping people fix issues like backyard flooding caused by nearby paving.